Hi everyone, welcome to ZyNerd's NEET PG 2022 information series. In a series of videos, we have been looking at the eligibility criteria for different institutes in Punjab and the documents and certificates required and the application process for Punjab. In this video, we'll have a brief look at the fee for Punjab PG medical seats and the service bond and penalty. This is in detail. We have got this information from multiple prospectus and after confirming with candidates. Now, the fee for Punjab PG medical uh, application fee for Punjab is mentioned over here. So at the time of filling the application form, you will have to pay 5,900 rupees and it is 2,950 for SC candidate. You have to, so at the first round choice filling, there is no security deposit required. But if you're filling choices for the second round, before the start of the second round, whether you hold a seat, whether you don't hold a seat, etc., you should have a security deposit paid of rupees 25,000 for UR candidates for government colleges and 12,500 for SC or BC candidates. If you are looking at private colleges, you will have to pay a fee of 2 lakhs for private colleges to be eligible even for choice filling for either government or government plus private colleges. Now, in case you have joined in R1 and you have paid more than 25,000 or more than 2 lakhs, then you don't need to pay this security deposit. If R1 tuition fee is paid the amount paid is less than 2 lakhs, the balance amount is to be paid as security deposit. And before the start of mop-up 2, in case you haven't made this payment, you have not been you have first time registered, then you will have to make the payment. Or in case you made this payment and in round 2 you did not join an allotted seat, lost this, then you would have to repay this amount for being eligible for mop-up. What is the tuition fee? The tuition fee is one for clinicals in government is 1.25, 1.5 and 1.75 lakhs for year 1, 2, 3. This has to be paid through the university payment gateway and then reported to the allotted college along with the receipt. They can't insist, no institute can insist the entire course fee payment in advance. Maximum a bond or a bank guarantee can be asked for any institute. A bond is a surety bond, that is enough. Don't worry about the bank guarantee part. Just check with the institute anyways once. For private institutes, the fee structure is this. For Adesh, you can see that the fee structure for preclinicals and paraclinicals for first 3 years and the clinicals. Clinicals for year 1 is 14.09 lakhs and for 16.39 lakhs in year 2 and in year 3 it is 8.03 lakhs. Note that this includes pathology also. CMC and Ludhiana DMC have the private institute regulated fee structure by Punjab being under BFUHS. 2.6 lakhs is for preclinicals or paraclinicals and clinicals plus pathology and pathology are at 6.5 lakhs per annum. SGRD University, preclinicals and paraclinicals is mentioned as nil in the earlier prospectus. We are trying to confirm this, but we think that it is still nil. We will get a confirmation soon. You can also confirm it when the fee structure is finalized. They have not finalized the fee structure for 2022-23. The last year's fee structure was 9.5 lakhs per annum with a 10% increment, which means in the second year it would be 10.45 lakhs per annum, and in the next year it would be somewhere around 11.5 lakhs. Now, this is the fee structure, but it has not been decided for 2022-23. There's one major catch. This does not include any hostel fee or additional fee. For example, SJRD may have a 2.5 lakhs hostel fee per annum. That needs to be accounted for every year when you're deciding. And another major thing which you don't want to miss is that the university fee of 15% of total tuition fee has to be paid at the time of joining. This is a huge amount, not necessarily a small amount if you're looking at a 9.5 lakh fee structure for SGRT. This is the same for everyone, but for these institutes, it may be a private institute, it may be a huge amount. Now, when this is paid, for instance, SGRD asks you to pay the 3 years university fee right in advance, which may be 4.5 lakhs or so, around 4.5 to 4.7 lakhs. And you may end up paying 14 lakhs when you join. And for the next year, you will pay only the 9.5 lakhs plus 10% increment. So but still please verify this fee structure because this may change for SGRD especially, and but the rest should almost remain the same because this is as per 2022-23 prospectus. Adesh had a case going on in the High Court. Subject to the outcome, there may be changes, but as of now, this looks this is the fee structure for Adesh. We will also look at the stipend and bond service bond details. There is a difference in Punjab between the service bond for all India candidates and state quota candidates. All India candidates have a 1 year 10 lakh bond, while state candidates have a 2 year 15 lakh bond. In case you are not posted within 6 months, no posting after the completion of the course, then the bond is not applicable. Service bond for in-service candidates, it is as mentioned here. As mentioned here, you can have a look at the service bond for in-service candidates. For CMC Ludhiana candidates, category B with service commitment, there is a 3-year service in CMC Ludhiana or affiliated hospitals after PG. Other Christian minority candidates who opt for seats under service commitment, 5 years is the bond structure. We are not sure, or we are not sure if there is any bond for IP candidates in CMC Ludhiana. We don't think there is a bond, but please confirm. We are absolutely not sure. Service bond for Adesh candidates, 1 year 25 lakhs, 1 year bond or 25 lakhs payment plus 18% interest. And service bond for SGRD candidates, 1 year bond or 15 lakhs plus 15% interest in case you delay the payment and not complete the bond. Now, as far as DMC is concerned, 2020 to 20 candidates information we have is that there is no bond, but we are still trying to confirm that. The stipend is also mentioned here. SGRD, CMC, DMC have been providing the stipend of 52, 50, 52, 54, almost equivalent to what the government is providing, but the government has now increased the stipend to 67,968 as a honorarium, as they call it. They may not change or maximum change by 1,000 to 2,000 per year, that not based on the DA, but for year 2 and year 3. But I expect it to be the same otherwise and take a call. As far as Adesh goes, the stipend is 22, 24, 26. Please check if it is regular. It is understood that after candidates representation and a lot of and after a long time, the last batch has got the stipend. So have a look at this information. Hope all this information was really useful for you for Punjab PG Medical Counseling. We also have complete information available in our portal, which we will share as a separate video next to this. Have a look at it on how to look at closing ranks and take the right decision, closing rank, and take a decision basically for Punjab. All the best for your Punjab PG Medical.